Now we got the tent set up back there somewhere. It's time to hang the food in a tree. There's bears out here, but I'm not really concerned about the bears. I'm more concerned about the foxes, the squirrels, the chipmunks, and the mice. I'm telling you, dude, they'll eat your shit up. You won't have no food in the morning. So we gotta find the right tree far enough away from camp. Yeah? What do you think? It's quite a bit off the ground. Secured nicely. That branch might break, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there.